Hey guys, this is Rosa Kelly. Today I'm here to give you a full walkthrough on a new 8x8 album. This book has 20 pages, so let's take a look. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna give you a walkthrough of this 8x8 mini album. I do have a full tutorial and cutting guide for this project, so I'm gonna have that link below, and that tutorial should be releasing on Saturday because right now I have a members only preview. So if you're a member, you're already hopefully enjoying this tutorial. But this is one of the books that I created for a sale on my website. So if you were part of the pre-sale, thank you so much. All these books are going to be shipping today, but I am going to be adding a few more to the website. So if you guys are interested, I'm going to have that link below. And so yeah, so let's go ahead and take a look. So the book measures 8x8. It is on this blush pink color, which I absolutely love. And let's look inside. So as I mentioned, this book has 20 pages, so we have 5 signatures, and on each signatures we have 4 pages here. So I did leave the inside covers blank to just accommodate for all the room that you're gonna need for the pictures on this book. So we're gonna go ahead and start the walkthrough here. So this first page opens up like this, and we have a double platform page here. Then on page 2, this opens up and opens down like this. So this is a really good book if you're looking to make kind of like a baby month-to-month, because you have plenty of pages. Also, if you have kind of like a memory book that you want to do a story and just document different parts of life, I think it's again a really practical book with all kinds of pages. So page 3 just opens to the side like that. And then on the back here, page 4, we have this opening, and then this opens again. And then over here we have an accordion fold page, and that all closes up. So if you are getting the blank books, I just want to mention the books do not include magnets. They basically just come as you see here on the video. Over here, this opens up like this, and then we have a pocket. On the next page, we have some twin pages. So these both sections open like that, and then these two open up like this, and then they close. And then here for this next page, we have a opening, and this is a sliding page here. So when you add your paper or you're ready to decorate these books, you will put a couple magnets here, so when you turn your page, you are not kind of separating the page from the main page here. So that is that. Then on this next page, I don't know what page I'm on, but on the next page, this opens and this opens here too. So we have a large double accordion folds layout. On the next page over here, so this has these two little areas, so they both open like that, and then we have over here a pocket as well. And then next, this page opens down, so again lots of room for pictures. And then this page here opens to the side, and we have a little pop-up page right there and place for pictures. Here on the next one, this opens up and down, and then we have a belly band here, so you can add a picture or a photo mat on the back. And then this also opens to the side like that. Then we move to the next page. So these two pages are actually a pop-up, so places for a couple pictures there, and all of this is included on the tutorial you're gonna see coming up. And then this page opens to the side. Again, a large layout. I wanted to do a lot of large layouts, but also have some layerings here, so when you add your paper, you see some different colors and things like that. I am gonna be decorating one of these books using a baby collection, so let me know if you want to see the process decorating this. Over here we have a pocket, so this comes in like this, and the photo mat is basically the closure for this page. So this opens, and then this opens here, and then on the center I added these two flaps, so you can use that to kind of add even more photo mats on the inside of this page as well. And then all of these closes up, and then of course you can add more of these photo mats there. Then over here we have again a double twin page, so these two open up like that, and then we can also use these as handles to open all of these over here as well. And then the final page opens, and then over here we have another opening section, and then this opens to the side like that. And again, the back covers are left plain for this book, but you can add more layouts if you want to on your book. So I hope that you guys enjoy the walkthrough. I'm gonna have the link to the blank album sale that I am having listed below, and I am shipping all the pre-sale today, and any orders that are coming from today, please allow a week or two for me to finish up the second batch of books. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.